What's up, Birmingham? So me and Caleb are about to go grab lunch. We've decided we're gonna go grab a burger on our search for the best burger in Birmingham. We're gonna go over to Paramount and check out the burger selection over there, see what they've got. Been there a couple times. I normally always get the same thing, so I'm gonna try something different this time. The El Capitan, and let's open this up. I got the pico on the side, or onion rings. Everything came out looking really good. And Caleb got the Forester.
Got the old Forester. No wait, not Old Forester. That's alcohol. I got a Forester,
and it looks pretty awesome.
It's got some onion rings on there.
Yeah,
mushrooms. It's got some mushrooms.
Yeah.
Swiss cheese.
What's this on the side? Is that mayonnaise?
This?
Yeah.
This is like their rosemary mayonnaise that you're supposed to dip your fries in.
Oh, cool. And I don't know what, I think this is some kind of onion ring sauce on the side for me. But it looks really good. Let's see how it tastes. So me and Caleb just got done eating over here at Paramount. And, you know, normally I really like the burgers here. I got something different this time, and I did not like it. It's like at best, 5 out of 10 beers. Like, just not my favorite. So, probably stick to the Forester from now on. I got the El Capitan, and it just wasn't, I guess, my flavor palette or whatever, but, you know, it just wasn't my favorite. So, that's okay, you know. On my search for the best Birmingham burger, I came across a burger that I didn't like, and that's gonna happen because, you know, everybody likes different things. I came back here to show you what the game room looked like. Really don't have time to play any games, but at least show you, you know, if you've never been here, what the game room looks like. And it's kind of the cool thing about Paramount is that they have the game room. They have skee ball right over there. They have basketball. A couple of racing games, you know, some old school Tekken, and a bar, which is really cool. Really cool place to hang out. You know, grab a drink, play some games, you know, do whatever. So, just wanted to show you guys this on my way back to the table. Harvest Market, and this place is awesome. It is legit just like an old school market. You got like a deli in here. Wine, just general goods. This place is really cool. It's right beside Paramount. So. Man, look at this. Wow. Wow, this place is cool. Very old school. So Caleb's doing. This place is awesome.
Yeah. Got a salad bar?
Yeah, a little salad bar.
Hot bar.
He said you could walk up into the mezzanine and actually sit up there, and they're gonna put a bar up there.
Put some taps.
So walk down. What are you trying?
A green one smoothie.
A green one?
It's called the green one.
The green one.
What's in it?
Very refreshing. She offered us a smoothie, a sample of a smoothie. It's called the green one, and it's really good.
Just come work out here.
Yeah. So she offered us a sample of a smoothie on the way up here, and it was called the green one. Had like kale and coconut. No, there's no coconut in it.
There may be.
Cucumber, lots of stuff.
Apple.
It's got like a green texture to
I
it.
think it's got some protein stuff in it.
Normally not my cup of tea, but this is delicious. Up here on the mezzanine, like you literally could just come up here and work. Like this is such a cool place. Looks like somebody is up here working. Dude, I would die. I would die. So I'm guessing this is where the bar is gonna. God, the autofocus up here, it's so dark. I'm guessing this is where the bar is gonna be, right here. Wow.
Manager office.
Oh yeah.
That's some old
Nice.
school stuff right there.
Yeah, I like that.
Got some fresh produce.
I wonder if they, if all this is local stuff.
No.
Some of this stuff could be local.
Yeah.
Weren't really planning on going to that little market, but that place is really cool. I mean, it's like a old school kind of feel to it. Pretty awesome. I would definitely like to go there one afternoon and work or something.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. But overall, this has been a good little lunch out. Caleb, what did you think of your Forester?
Forester was good. The mushrooms had a nice taste to it. Had some kind of like garlic seasoning in it with the mayonnaise. Had Swiss cheese and some onion rings on it. It was good.
Yeah.
I'll probably get it again.
And like I said, I didn't really care for the El Capitan. It had avocado on it. It had bacon. I got the pico on the side. It didn't have any cheese on it, which I thought was weird. You know,
I wonder if that's the thing with avocado. Do they
Yeah.
pair it with cheese? Or?
could have been, but like I said, it's not really my cup of tea. But it was still, you know, not a bad burger, just not my favorite tasting burger. So probably won't get that again, but I'll definitely come back to Paramount again to get another one, try a different one on our search for the best Birmingham burger. So the best burger in Birmingham. So anyways, this has been a good one. It's been a good day in Birmingham. So stay beautiful, Birmingham.